Welcome to MFIS Television. Today we're talking about our quarterly economic and financial report. Over the last 3 months, we have seen a huge amount of turmoil in Europe, consumer confidence down in the United States, and interest rates dropping because of this, and also the stock market having the worst results since the fall of '09. And we're also seeing that the real estate market is still going down even further in price compared to it has not settled yet. Now, what we're seeing is that in the next quarter, in the fourth quarter, we're going to have even more turmoil as risk of more of Greece falling and going into default. Also, we see more and more unemployment is going to be happening in the United States, but not by the private sector, but more of this time on the public sector as public debt issues in our government has not been resolved for its budgets. So what we're saying now for a lot of our clients is saying, hey, it's time to get ready to get out of the stock market, and it's time to be more thrifty and keep our cash in our pocket and be a little more conservative. Now, here's a couple things. With interest rates dropping this last quarter to historical lows, it's hard to accumulate wealth. So more than ever, you're going to have to put more and more money towards your retirement and not expect the same rate of returns. But at the same time, we're telling people, don't keep buying gold because even gold and oil is starting to take a downward spurt. But what we're telling people is to look at fixed annuities, because even though the rate of return is not great, it's better than taking any losses. And right now, you could be finding 2.5% to 3.5% on fixed annuities, locked in for 3 to 5 years. Another aspect we're telling people is to look at purchasing real estate as an investment again. And now, there's a couple ways. For instance, right now you could buy a lot of homes in the Bay Area for $100,000 to $200,000, and you can actually get still a 12 to 15% rate of return on that home if you rent out those homes. Or better yet, you could buy a foreclosed home and resell it and still get a great rate of return. Now the economic news we're saying might not be the greatest news. Matter of fact, this is horrible news. But with us and what we're recommending, I think it can help you while we have this downturn in the market and we're headed towards a double dip recession. Now, if you have any other questions, you can email us at matthewsfinancial@gmail.com, or you can give us a call at 510-229-7608, or our website, matthewsfinancialinsuranceSolutions.com, or be a fan on our Facebook page, hit us on LinkedIn. Anyways, have a good day and a good night. Thank you.